Does the kitty want back in? I'm gonna go in there and be mean to the puppies. Oh, Dee Dee wants back in here. Dee Dee, she's got the double dots, you know.
Let's see if the cat will tug.
She won't, but they might tug on her.
Tug on her tail.
Tug on her tail.
Stay away from me. Go have to asleep when we play with this.
Good.
Almost.
That's
Now playing with
Mock. Oh, look, Bacon Fat's happy in here.
He's going around the house.
Her real name's Cinnamon, but she's as big as a Bacon Fat. She's been eating too much Bacon Fat. Randall and Beth really liked her. Meow. Oh, good. Fleet came in here and tinkle tinkle. And now we got Mock, who's going to go potty. They love the potty boxes. Meow. Oh, look at that Fleet.
Take an eyeball out.
You got Turbo over there. Turbo and Express. They're waking up. They were asleep when I first put them in here. Meow. I keep them trimmed short with the human nail cutters.
Pillow. That's your good pillow.
Express is really pretty, isn't it? If the other blue merle in the Carmen litter comes back a carrier, and I know y'all don't know what that means, but I'll keep that one, or I'll test that one to see if it's a carrier. They can be two things. They can be normals. Well, they can be three things, but normals are carriers, meaning they have a certain gene or.
What are you looking at, Minnie?
Oh, look at Fleet. Get the toy. That one. Smooth. I've been informed things shall not try. Sound like a buffalo. Now whistling's even worse. Ooh. Rah. That's Mock. Long-haired, red and white's Mock. Says me? No, not me. Swift. Long-haired, black and white. Good puppies. Kitty cat likes you. No, she don't like her belly. She says, I'm fat and I know it.
I think it's from that dog chewing on the tail. You want to Cinnamon.
Cinnamon, kitty. Are you being bad over there, kitty cat? Did she get you? Sorry.
She didn't give me.
Okay. cat scratch fever. Be nice, kitty cat.
My brother's cat's like that too. Gets mad.
It's the puppy. She's
Punched in the face. Daddy walked over like, ah!
her got a cat spanking.
Get over there. Wee! I can see the dogs jump over.
I've got something to do. Puppy fights. They're just playing though.
That one just went to the back of my
Good. Don't need a high chair or anything. Potty chair. Whatever they call these things.
This was
Oh really?
Yeah,
Good songs. Where'd they meet? You don't know?
Like
Good place.
that's where they got married.
Oh, is that where they met?
Dance place
Uh-huh.
in Tahlequah.
Okay.
Somewhere right in Tahlequah.
He stuffed a toy in his mouth.
My dad used to live in Buffalo and came down here.
Buffalo, New York?
Yeah.
Wow. You pull back on the tail. Now, let me check on the clock.